Scientists issue a dire warning as the Atlantic Meridional overturning circulation approaches a catastrophic collapse, threatening to plunge the Northern Hemisphere into a deep freeze while destabilizing global climates as early as next year. 44 of the world's leading climate scientists have broken their usual professional reserve to issue an urgent open letter regarding the imminent collapse of the Atlantic Meridional overturning circulation, or EMOC. Often described as the planet's conveyor belt or central heating system, this massive network of ocean currents transports immense amounts of heat from the tropics to the North Atlantic. New research suggests that the stability of this system is far more fragile than previously estimated by international climate bodies. While earlier models predicted a low probability of failure within this century, updated data utilizing historical sea surface temperatures indicates a 95% certainty that a collapse could begin anytime between 2025 and 2095. The mechanism behind this potential disaster is rooted in the rapid melting of the Greenland ice sheet. As vast quantities of freshwater pour into the North Atlantic, they dilute the saltiness of the ocean water. Because freshwater is less dense than salt water, it fails to sink, effectively clogging the engine that drives the entire global current. Observations already show a 15% decline in flow since 1950, resulting in a mysterious cold blob in the North Atlantic, a stark contrast to the record heat seen elsewhere across the globe. If the AMOC ceases to flow, the consequences for human civilization would be swift and devastating. European cities such as London and Berlin could see average temperatures plummet by 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, transforming fertile farmlands into frozen tundras reminiscent of the Arctic. Conversely, the heat that is no longer transported northward would accumulate in the Southern Hemisphere, potentially scorching the Amazon rainforest and disrupting vital monsoon patterns in Asia. Furthermore, the cessation of the current would cause sea levels along the United States east coast to rise abruptly by nearly 70 centimeters as the moving water settles. Unlike a light switch that can be flipped back on, once this oceanic engine stops, it may remain dormant for centuries, leaving humanity to face a permanent shift in the world's habitability.